You're going to do the duty. Oh,
But you're not going to say all this stuff first?
They are.
Yeah, wait.
Making me pour water on the
Wait.
Hold on. Okay.
Ready?
We're ready.
Go.
All right. So,
Go ahead and sit down.
David Perez is responsible for this. David Perez was the one that challenged me, so far be it from me not to accept the challenge from my friend David. So, I accept. Now, I'm going to challenge my friends Tracy, Tim, and Kevin Wagerson in the honor of their late father and in the spirit of their mother, who is an ALS sufferer, to accept this challenge from me. All right? So, here we go. All right, now hold on. Now Hutchinson and McDuffie, if you think you get away without a challenge from me, this goes out to Mike Hutchinson and Greg McDuffie, and you guys are next.